Hasta el último va a estar nublado, mira. ¿Cómo? Eso parece un vivero. Sí.
Welcome to Shanghai, ladies and gentlemen, where the time is just approaching 7 minutes past 6 p.m. on Thursday the 19th of April. Although we are on the ground, we still want to make sure that you're safe, so please remain in your seat with your seatbelts fastened until the captain switches off the fasten seatbelt sign. If your mobile phone is handy, you may now switch it on, although use within the customs hall is prohibited. Please be careful when opening your overhead lockers, as your luggage may have moved at some stage during the flight.